Is your heating taking ages to warm up? Welcome to Boilers2Go. Today, we're finding the best central heating pump for your UK home. Upgrading to a high-efficiency pump is a smart move. It can actually slash your electricity usage by up to 80%. Loud humming or cold spots on your radiators? Those are clear signs that your old pump is struggling and needs a professional replacement. The Grundfos Alpha 3 is our top pick. It's A++ rated and features smart auto-adapt technology for the ultimate in reliability. If your pump is near a bedroom, the Loara EcoCirc Premium is virtually silent, making it perfect for modern open-plan living. In hard water areas like London or Yorkshire, the Grundfos UPS3 is built to resist corrosion and handle those tougher water conditions. Whether you need smart tech or quiet operation, a new circulator saves you money while protecting your boiler's health. Follow and subscribe to Boilers2Go for more expert heating advice. We're here to help you stay warm.